Opa! Kalos ήρθατε στην κουζίνα μου! Jumbo juicy meatballs with melt-in-your-mouth potatoes in the oven. We're starting with 5 medium potatoes. Slice them right down the middle into perfect wedges. Cutting them like this ensures they'll soak up all the incredible ingredients we're going to add. They'll bake up golden crispy on the outside and soft melt in your mouth on the inside. Once they're in the pan, we can start adding everything that's going to give them that amazing flavor. First ingredient in, the juices of 1 whole lemon. This is going to add a beautiful bright tang to the potatoes. Now for the liquids. Half a cup of white wine, and then half a cup of water. Now for the olive oil. I don't measure this part. I just pour a generous amount right over the potatoes. Next up, in goes the garlic. It takes these flavors to the next level. Time for the mustard. We're squeezing it all over because when we mix it, it gives the potatoes a beautiful, deep, tangy flavor in every bite. Now for the salt. We add a good couple of pinches of salt all over. And now the pepper. A good couple of pinches as well of pepper all over. And then we give everything a really good mix, making sure every single wedge is coated in all those delicious juices. The potatoes are going to go into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about an hour. And while they're cooking, we're going to make our jumbo juicy meatballs. First up, season our meat with a couple of pinches of salt. A really nice good pinch of pepper. Next, crack in 1 large egg. Let's add the garlic now. That gives that meat that incredible flavor. Some chopped up parsley. Now, add the onions to keep these meatballs super juicy. Followed by a good big handful of our homemade breadcrumbs. Finally, 3 good pinches of Parmesan cheese. This melts right into the meat and gives it an unbelievable rich flavor. Time to bring it all together. Mix it gently so the meat stays light, fluffy, and perfectly tender. Now for the fun part. Grab a massive handful of the meat mixture and roll it into our signature jumbo meatballs, setting them aside on a plate as we go. This mixture makes about 7 juicy giant meatballs. Look at the size of these. They are absolutely giant. Just keep rolling them up until your plate is ready. An hour is up and these potatoes are looking beautiful. Let's add one final touch of flavor right now. Dry oregano all over on top. Now we're ready for our meatballs. Now we're going to want to place those massive meatballs right on top of the potatoes. They're going to release all their delicious juices down into the pan as they bake. Just 20 more minutes into the oven and we are finally ready to serve. Take a look at this, fresh out of the oven and ready to enjoy. The perfect weekend meal to bring everyone together. One bite of these giant meatballs and they'll be begging you for the recipe. And like always, que calizas orexi.